Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome student. Welcome to our first online class meeting because of coronavirus. Okay, today lesson we will talk about homophone. What is homophone and how it works. Lesson agenda. The first lesson agenda is objectives. The next agenda is warming up. The next is the main agenda, what is homophone. The next is quiz, and the last is homework. The first agenda is learning objective. After learning about homophone, students are expected to can pronounce English words that are homophonic and can distinguish the differences between these words. Okay, we move to the warming up. There are 6 different words that we divide it into 3 parts. The first part is a red part, the next is the yellow part, and the last is the blue part. The first and the second word in each part has a different spelling and different meaning, but do you know that they have a same pronunciation? Let's see. The first is sweet and sweet. Okay, that is the same pronunciation of the word that has a different spelling. The next is flower and flower, flower and flower, 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 flower. Yeah, that is the same pronunciation. And the last is sail and sail. It's all of these parts has a different spelling and different meaning, but has a same pronunciation. We call this kind of word as a homophone. The definition of homophone. What is homophone? Homophone is a word that is pronounced the same way as another but has a different meaning or spelling, or sometimes both of meaning and spelling. Like the words so and so are similar in pronunciation but are different in spelling and its meaning. The word so and so, we call them homophonic words. The type of homophone. Homophone has so many different types, but we just take some of them. That is homograph, homonym, heterograph, oronym, pseudo-homophone. Homograph, it's the homophone that are similar in spelling but different in meaning. Some hail and hail itself. Hail has 2 different meanings. That is an ice storm and hail that mean something that occurs in large number, such a hail of pellet. The next is homonym. Homonym, this some words have the same pronunciation but different meaning, like side, side, and side. The 3 words has a different meaning. The next is heterograph. Heterograph is homophone that have different spelling but are pronounced in a same way. For instance, right and right. Yeah, pronounced in the same way. Next is oronym. Oronym is homophone that have multiple words or phrases having similar sound. For instance, ice cream and ice cream. Ice cream and ice cream. That is quite similar. Pseudo-homophone. Homophone that are identical phonetically. In this type of homophone, one of the parts of word is not a real word, such as grown and grown. The next is the function of homophone. The function of homophone is to create humorous effect by using a word, like the example of the poem by Phineas Bird. You can read it by yourself. The first word in each line has a same pronunciation as the last word in each line, but has a different spelling and different meaning. And in everyday life, these words are employed intentionally in witty remarks. Yeah, it's kind of humorous effect of some conversation. In addition, this gives meaning to a literary piece of work and rather reveal the ingenuity of their character through the use of homophone. Okay, this is this example of homophone in the some of the example: alter, and the transcription, part of speech, and this meaning. There is so many words, you can read it by yourself. We go to the quiz. Please, like example, please try not to wash paper. We use wash, we choose wash because it's a, what is that, because it's the right answer. Okay, we move to the next is homework. The homework is, please find 15 pairs of homophonic words and its transcription. And note that you have to collect it before the next meeting. Thank you for your attention to this online class. I hope you have a best day, a good day. You stay healthy in your life, and yeah, good job. Let's say assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.